Hello everyone, today I will introduce one new machine for you. This machine is ordered by German customers. These customers has very high requirements of the precision. So we make very big, very hard machine for him. And now we will introduce this. Okay, now let me see the spindle of this machine. This machine has a 9 kilowatts air cooling spindle, and this spindle is very big. And also you want to do some door making and furniture and other works, you can use this spindle. And this spindle is very powerful. Okay, and this machine have the 4-axis swimming head. When the customers have the side processing requirements, this machine can complete it perfectly. Okay, let me see the vacuum table. To be fact, I'm very like the vacuum table, because when you want to use the A area, you can power on it, and when you want to use the B area, you can power on it, and so on. So the vacuum table is very perfect. And this vacuum table has the 4 area for the work. Now we are on the side of the machine to see the rotary axis. This axis has the alone motor and alone drivers. When you want to produce some such as wood legs and table legs and road working, so you can use the rotary axis. And now I want to introduce the C-axis of this machine. And usually we call it small baby tools. When you want to do some side of the plant, such as drilling, milling, and perching, you can use it. Okay, this machine has 8 tools in the tool magazine, and it's very enough to meet your daily needs.